Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on the video. My name is Fatma from WellnessKE.
And I'm Dida from Home Deco by Dida.
Yes, and today we have an exciting video. We've actually teamed up in a way because we are at the Waldorf school for an amazing car boot sale, and we have some awesome products that we're going to show you so that later on, if you're interested in purchasing any of them, you can get to know more about them.
You can also check out our social media pages. My Instagram page is Home Deco by Dida.
And also for WellnessKE, we have Instagram at well_SKE. We have Twitter at KE Wellness. We have YouTube channel WellnessKE and Facebook WellnessKE. And we are all about natural organic products that can help you, women especially, with their health, reproductive health. So I can't wait for us to get to see all these awesome products.
Thank you so much.
What's up, you guys? I can't wait for us to get straight into this video. We were at the Waldorf car boot sale, which ended up being an exciting day for us. It's a chance for, business owners to actually bring out their products, let you know about their services. And this was one of those days. I mean, we were able to see so many business owners showcase so much of their products, from clothes to shoes to bags. There were people who even sold books for children. This was such a good business venture. And also we saw a lot of people who were selling products that were gently worn, like shoes and clothes. This is a very, very smart idea for any business owner out there. And it's an exciting feeling when you're a business owner and you come out and you meet other people. I mean, it's one of the best feelings out there. So we're kickstarting the year with this type of video so that you guys can be motivated. And speaking of motivation, I hope that you guys have already set your New Year's resolutions, because for us, we wanted to be more in touch and more aware of who our customers really are, which is exactly why we were out here at the car boot sale with all of our WellnessKE products, from our iconic green tea, turmeric tea, cinnamon tea, neem, moringa. There have been even more products that we have added along the way, but this was such a fun experience. I mean, this is one of the ways where you can actually just mingle with customers and get to know more. So we were able to even allow them to try out some of the herbal teas. I mean, this experience is something that every business owner should try out. As you can imagine, I mean, this type of day means that we are all just going to be out there enjoying ourselves, but we also have to mingle with everyone. So this is exactly what was taking place, at our stand. There were clients or customers who would come through, ask about the products, we'd be able to explain more to them. And yeah, when it comes to Home Deco by Dida, this is a very, very good business idea, because she was able to sell Lego blocks, gently used, but then she was able to sell them to customers. So yeah. So guys, I wanted for you to learn more about Home Deco by Dida, and let's get into it.
So today is a different video. We are actually at a car boot sale, and we have WellnessKE on the right, and I just came with my son's Legos. I want to tell you more about the products on the right side, but anyway, these are the Legos that we have today. My son is giving them out unwillingly, but I had to get rid of them. And then we have Wellness on the right side. They focus on reproductive system, reproductive health. So we have moringa, we have black pepper, we have turmeric, sunflower, sesame, flax seeds, and all the good stuff. So today we just came to, we're taking part in the car boot sale. So we are here in Karen. Yeah, let's get into this video.
Guys, you have to check out Home Decor by Dida to learn more about interior decor, beautiful furniture, plants, everything. If this is your thing, you really have to check out Home Decor by Dida so that you can learn how to beautify your home. And also, don't forget to check out WellnessKE because we have great organic herbal products for you that can help you in supporting your reproductive health. I have to mention that at the car boot sale, we were able to see so many business owners. It was such an encouraging feeling, a motivational feeling, because I saw women selling, cooking utensils, beautiful handbags, homemade items, and also there were children who are even practicing. They were singing. Most people had just brought out their creativity. They did not come to play. I'm telling you, if you can take a look at some of these beautiful pieces, most of the times when you think about businesses, we have to think about how to support business owners. And when it comes to support, you can try out, buy more local products, Kenyan products. And speaking of support, I really wanted for you guys to meet someone that has been extremely supportive to WellnessKE. Hey guys, so as I mentioned, we are here at the Waldorf school to have an amazing time, and also for the sale. And so we've come with our WellnessKE products. And speaking of WellnessKE, I never go anywhere without yes. Hi, how are you?
I'm doing fine, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. So this is my boyfriend. His name is Suleiman, but then he is also like the machine behind WellnessKE. Normally, I come up with an idea and I'm like, I want to do this and I want for us to do that. Then he goes, wait, before your idea goes too far, is it going to make sense? And is it so? Basically, he's the person that actually, kind of grounds me and makes sure that everything makes sense and we can be able to package good information and also products for all of you. Do you have anything you want to say to people?
It's an amazing journey, if I can say, and it's usually nice when we hear positive feedback on what we're doing. It gives us the drive to do even more to help people out there. And God willing, we'll reach even more people in the future.
And also, as he is doing his level best to be modest, I'm just going to remind all of you that majority of the decisions actually have been, we've always just had meetings over what we're going to do about WellnessKE, but when it comes to the branding, I mean, even the logo, WellnessKE logo, as you can see, even though you're not branded right now, but this is all from, SAZ, which is Suleiman's business. And let me show you guys some more stuff or by Suleiman. These are some of the products, and also this is really nice. I know I posted this and so many people really liked it. It looks really good. So it's one of our WellnessKE binder or book binder. Okay, I don't know what to call it, but this is what we use to get contacts from different people, clients and things like that, so that we can be able to continue communicating with them. So this was actually really, really good. Designed by SAZ Branding. So you obviously have played a huge part in making sure that WellnessKE actually has a sense of direction. So it's something that I'm very grateful for.
What I will say is, if you're taking your business seriously, then you need to surround yourself with the right people. Have like an advisory board, a group of individuals who will actually help you, because when you're starting your own business, you most of the times will have to wear many hats. So you're the marketer, you are the administrator, you are the HR, you are the producer, you are the retailer. You are basically doing a lot of things. But if you want to do them right, then it's important to have this advisory board. And most of the people, when we try and tell them this, they think that you have to pay them, but it's not the case. You might have some family members who maybe studied accounting to come and help you with your accounting stuff. You can have people who actually are financial analysts to come and help you with your finances. So at the end of the day, just reach out to people. And we as SAZ, we also have the business consulting services. but majority of the times the people who come to us, they already have people who could have helped them before even coming to us. But at the end of the day, your mission, vision, and your strategy are key. This is what you need to hold dear while you are undergoing your new business venture or your even existing business venture.
Yeah, and also, so guys, if it is a business that you want to start, especially if it's a passion project, like in my case, WellnessKE, it's a passion project, meaning it's something I went through and then I decided to just, go for it. Remember, you will have the heart, but you also need the brains so that you can be able to make wise decisions. Your heart might be in the best place or at the best place, but then you need also to know financially how it's going to go about and how you're going to do everything. So it's always nice to reach out to people who are professionals that are going to be able to assist you. Follow social media handles or pages that are going to also help you with that. So yeah, that's just a little bit of a tidbit that you can be able to take with you. For you to follow SAZ, it's at SAZ Branding, right?
Yeah, and also for the business consultations, it's at SAZ Biz Consult.
Yep, SAZ Biz Consult. So we'll write it, obviously, to be on the screen so that you can be able to reach out if you have any questions regarding starting your business and you can finally get to do something that you love and you see it actually, give you yield, something that is actually very beneficial for you. So yep, I hope you guys get to enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, I hope you learned something from that tidbit, a business section we had for you. It's time for us to learn more about the WellnessKE products. So welcome back guys to WellnessKE. As I mentioned, today we have a car boot sale. So we are here with some of the WellnessKE products, as you can see in front here. And before I even talk about the products, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have been very supportive of the brand and also very supportive of just purchasing the products, using the products, and also reaping the benefits of the products. I'm so proud and happy to say that just from last week we've had 4 women who have been able to shrink the fibroids, one of them who has gotten rid of fibroids and avoided surgery. So that's a big milestone and it's a big win. And I always encourage you ladies to celebrate all your wins, no matter how big or small, because every effort you make towards being healthy is actually going to be very beneficial. As you can see, we have the iconic green tea. All of you know this particular package because we started off with the green tea, and the reason why we have green tea is because green tea is actually really good at shrinking tumors, shrinking fibroids, and also it's really good for uterine health. So if you want to have a healthy uterus, you want to support your fertility, you also want to balance your blood sugar levels, which is what is really causing majority of women's issues, green tea is going to be really beneficial for you. And this is part of our hormonal balance package, because we have a hormonal balance package that actually is currently helping women in shrinking fibroids, getting rid of painful menstruation, and also other uterine issues. So this one goes for $399 and you can have it delivered. We deliver countrywide and we also started delivering internationally. So make sure that you let me know in the comment section if you're interested in purchasing some green tea. We also have some turmeric tea right here, and I know green tea and turmeric tea, this is something that each week we always have some new customer that's trying out these two and reaping the benefits. For instance, women who had really painful cramps during their menstruation right now don't have the issue anymore. Severe back pain during your menstruation is caused by inflammation. Turmeric tea is going to sort that out for you. Also, it's a natural reliever of pain, and inflammation is the reason you actually have all these type of uterine issues. So make sure that you add turmeric tea into your diet. Ladies, you really have to start taking turmeric tea. You'll actually have you'll have so much ease when it comes to your menstruation. There'll be no pain, there'll be no issues, and you'll notice that actually if maybe let's say your menstruation was actually quite heavy, thick or clumpy with clots in it, it stops having clots in it because you get rid of the excess estrogen while you bring in more circulation, and you remove the stagnant blood, because the stagnation of blood is what leads to all these uterine issues. So turmeric tea is something that we love here at WellnessKE, and you can actually order all of these products and we'll be able to deliver them at your doorstep.
These are my son's Legos. It's time to get rid of them because it's too much. But we are having so much fun here. There's different type of stuff around being sold. Basically today I just came with some Legos to sell. These were my son's Legos and I wanted to get rid of them. As a parent, you know how messy the room gets, especially with Legos. So I wanted to sell a couple of them so he can have a clean, organized room, especially the fact that he's a preteen right now, so I'm trying to get his room together. But basically what I do home decorating. You can check out my Instagram for more details or my other videos as well, and you will get an idea of what I do. So back to you.
It's fine. I actually wanted for us to check out some of the Legos. I know you guys are really going to want to see them, and if you have your kid and they're obsessed, or even yourself, maybe you're a fanatic of Legos and you love to build Legos, then this is what we have today by Home Decor by Dida. And don't forget to check out the social media because you'll get some really, really awesome stuff. And I had mentioned before on WellnessKE that it's also really important because we really focus on women's health, reproductive health, and also hormone health. And hormones highly triggered by anything related to the endocrine system. So when it comes to products in the environment, chemicals in the environment rather, that are actually disrupting our hormones and causing PCOS and causing fibroids and cysts and all these fertility issues, we have products that are going to help you with that in balancing the hormones. And also from Home Decor by Dida, we also have amazing plants that are going to help you in purifying the air. So we're actually going to insert some pictures here, so that people can be able to see. I know snake plant is one of them, and you can be able to get the snake plant. And actually, there's some people who had messaged me yesterday when I posted, and I was trying to explain to them that right now in our homes we have a lot of toxicity, and so we want to actually reduce the amount of toxic load in the environment and purify our air, because we want to make sure that you stay ahead of your health and your wellness even as you settle in your home. So that's really, really important. Check out Home Decor by Dida for all of that. So guys, that was our productive fun day. I hope you guys got to enjoy this video. Thank you for sticking around with us. Hey guys, so we had such an amazing time here at the sale at Waldorf School. This was one of those events where you actually come, meet people, also get to network. I've met amazing people. I've also gotten really good contacts from someone who actually makes natural products, cleaning products for your home, and kombucha. And there are also some people in different spaces that are doing amazing work, in the wellness space, and also just beautifying people's homes, selling books, encouraging kids to read books and things like that. This is exactly what we need in our lives. So thank you so much for sticking with me all the way throughout the video. Remember, you can be able to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video because it reminds YouTube to share it so other women can be able to see all the amazing things that we showed today. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video.